Have you ever wondered what's actually inside Barack Obama's brand new presidential center? Well, the answer might surprise you, because it's not just a museum. In fact, the Obama Presidential Center may be one of the most unique presidential projects ever built in the United States. Located on Chicago's South Side, the massive campus cost around $850 million to build and covers nearly 20 acres of land. But here's where things get interesting. Unlike most presidential libraries, the Obama Presidential Center isn't designed around rows of paper documents and archives. Instead, it's America's first fully digital presidential museum, using interactive technology and immersive exhibits to tell the story of Obama's life and presidency. And one of the biggest attractions, a life-sized replica of the Oval Office. Visitors can actually walk inside, sit behind the famous Resolute desk, and experience what it feels like to be President of the United States. Even Obama's BlackBerry phone and a letter from President George W. Bush are part of the experience. But that's only the beginning. The center features a giant museum tower standing 225 feet tall, making it one of the most recognizable presidential museum buildings ever constructed. At the top, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of Chicago's South Side. Inside the museum, you'll find campaign memorabilia, presidential artifacts, personal stories, and exhibits covering major moments from Obama's presidency, including healthcare reform, immigration policies, and pivotal events that shaped America during his years in office. But here's something most people don't know. The campus isn't only about politics. There's a full-size basketball court inspired by Obama's love of basketball, a public library, a playground for children, gardens, picnic areas, walking trails, and even a sledding hill that was reportedly added at Michelle Obama's request. The center also includes a special Hope and Change lobby featuring artwork connected to Barack and Michelle Obama's journey and legacy. And perhaps the most unusual fact of all, this isn't operated like a traditional presidential library. Most presidential libraries are run by the National Archives and store official presidential records. The Obama Presidential Center takes a different approach. The archives remain digital, while the center focuses on civic engagement, community programs, education, and inspiring future generations. Supporters say it's a bold reimagining of what a presidential center should be. Critics argue it's very different from traditional presidential libraries. But regardless of where you stand, one thing is certain. The Obama Presidential Center isn't just a place to look back at history. It's designed to inspire people to shape the future. And that's what makes it one of the most talked about presidential museums ever built.